There's only one company that I ever jump on live for when they have a good deal, and it's this one. And let's not talk about the fact that I burnt myself with the curling iron for the second time, and you can see where my other one was healing and it's taking forever. So I am so mad at myself right now. But when Banana White reached out to me and said, hey, Kim, we're having this really great deal. Would you go tell your followers about it? I'm like, heck yes. Because who doesn't want whiter teeth, y'all? My parents spent a lot of money on my teeth. I had braces for almost 3 years. Interesting story. My last name, my maiden name, my last name was Grimm. So listen, all of my life, I was Kim Grimm. Now, I often say to my parents, what in God's name were you thinking by naming me Kim Grimm? And they're like, well, we thought people would just call you Kimberly or Kimber. And I'm like, for real? Everybody always shortens your name. Kim is a real name. Anyway, if you comment teeth, you're going to get the link. But I want to show you how this teeth whitening system works and also tell you what's a great deal it is right now. Okay, so I've been using Banana White for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years maybe. And so it is a teeth whitening system. My point in telling you that stupid story that got off on a tangent, but that's how I roll, is that my parents always ingrained in me, please take care of your teeth, take care of your teeth, take care of your teeth. And whitening them has been a part of it. However, I spent many years when I was using Crest whitening strips with overly sensitive teeth that I had to stop, okay? I'm a huge coffee drinker. And so much that when I went to the dentist, he's like, well, you got to get Sensodyne toothpaste and, all the things. And I just got off of it. Then I found Banana White, and this is a teeth whitening system that's done a little bit different. Yeah, comment teeth, and I'll just send you off the link. Their deal, this is regular $229 on the website. They're giving the whitening kit, and I'm going to tell you how to use it, the whitening toothpaste and the whitening foam, all for $79, $74. Anyway, you got to use my code, so you want to make sure that you comment teeth, so you're using my link, because that's how you get the deal. Anyway, this is a whitening kit, and Banana White, sometimes you guys jump on with me. If you can put the exact information in there, that would be great. Okay, so this is what it's like. This is travel worthy. You can shove this in to travel. You get the teeth whitening device, okay, inside the case that automatically sterilizes it. Then you get a teeth whitening pen. You get the charger, and you get a guide. I always use my guides under my sink. Let me see if I have it. Oh no, I have it. I have one right here. But this is what a guide looks like, so that you can see how far your teeth have come over a short period of time. All right, so here's how this works. You take the teeth whitening activator gel. Looks like this. It has this little brush on it. You squeeze it up. You paint your teeth, okay? Top and bottom. Okay, then you end up taking the device out. Okay, you're going to turn it on to where you see the blue light. It's hard on social media for you guys to, can you tell that's blue? You're going to stick that in your mouth. It's a self timer, okay? Or you can time yourself, whatever you want. It's 15 minutes with the blue light. This is what's going to whiten your teeth. All right? Then it's going to shut off. Then it clicks on, or you can click it back on, to the blue and the red. I know you can't tell that's blue and red. What is the significance of red? It helps to relieve the sensitivity, okay? It is really good for the gums. Red light, if you haven't seen stuff about red light, I feel like you're living under a rock. The benefits of red light therapy to the body, to the bones, to the cells, to the face, to the skin, okay? Oh, this looks weird, creepy. Okay, then that's gonna stay on for 10 minutes, then it's gonna turn off. You're gonna rinse this, and then you're gonna be able to put this back in here. Here's what I love. Okay, so you're still gonna maybe feel a little bit of the activator pen on your teeth. Just spit it out. It's nothing, not even close to the amount of ickiness that was on my teeth after the Crest whitening strips, okay? Not even close. Spit that out, wait 30 minutes to eat or drink, and then go about your business. Now, when you first get this, do this for me. Use it for 3 days in a row, okay? 3 days in a row. Use the shade guide, okay? You can even mark it with your pen, like here's where I was and here's where I am. You can do that. Comment teeth. I'll send you off the link, because the deal is these are regular $229, I believe, and they're on for $79, which includes the whitening pen and the gel. All right, so good. I'm a coffee drinker, y'all, and my teeth get stained from coffee, but Banana White keeps that from being obvious. Okay, if you're a wine drinker, if you are, I just got off the phone with my aunt, and my aunt has a cap on one of her teeth, and one of her front teeth, okay? It will work on veneers. It will work on caps. Here's what you need to know, okay? So she's like, I want all my teeth the same color, because the one that's capped is a little more yellow than the one that's beside it that's not capped. That's her natural tooth. And I said, it will whiten the cap. But there is no way of making sure that it whitens the cap more than it whitens the tooth beside. Like, how would it even do that? But when she smiles now, you can see it in her confidence. And just overall, she's like, I love this stuff. She's turned 80. She just turned 80. She's like, I love this stuff. I wish I would have had it, because she never, ever had her teeth whitened. And she's seeing such great results. So comment teeth. It's going to come, the link's going to come to you. You have to use my code at checkout. Okay. Just when you think it's not giving me the reduced amount, it's not giving me the reduced amount, you have to put in my code at checkout. So you're going to get the whitening kit, comes in this cute little box, which I always keep mine in the box because I have stacks underneath of my sink. I like that. But when I travel, I can shove this in my carry-on along with the whitening pen. Okay, you're just going to want to make sure, because it comes with the charger, you're going to want to make sure that you charge it before you travel. Okay, and then you're going to get the whitening toothpaste and the whitening foam. Good deal, guys, for $79 for all of that. Now, you need to know this. It's only available for 2 more days. It was the 17th through the 19th, and today is the 18th. Today and tomorrow. That's all you have to be able to grab it. Sometimes these sell out, okay? These deals sell out. So if it's something that you think you might want, it's a good idea to grab it, all right? Anyway, jump on and comment teeth. Grab the Banana White deal that's happening for 2 days only. I love it. My teeth love it. And you know what? Your smile is your trademark. If you're interested in finding someone that will help you with educational makeup and beauty content for mature skin over 50, make sure you click follow, because that's what I do here. That's what I do here. My name is Kim. I'm your over 50 makeup teacher. Have a great day.